I'm gonna show you the Boeing air transport. This is one of the earliest aircraft that Boeing created. It's a tri-motor. It's a tri-motor and a biplane. Now this is the heater. The pipe will warm the air around that one, and that air will go inside the cabin. Fresh air, hot, fresh air. Check out the tires. And this was made, it was designed in 1929. Was the state of the art at the time. I started flying in 1981. I think it was 81 or 82. And at that time, people who I received my license and training from flew these airplanes. It's amazing. They flew these airplanes. People like Lee, Mercure, people like George Gone, Mike DeHaan, Aubrey Swissy, Phil Benton, and all these characters. They flew these old airplanes, and they flew during the Korean War. Mr. Mori. And of course, this is my favorite of all time airplane. This is where it sparked my imagination about flying. The MiG-15, MiG-17. But this is the MiG-15. You can tell because it's a little stubby, it's a little shorter. And the fans on top of the wing are only two of them. And this is a Chinese version of it, I think. It's a MiG-15, 1950. It doesn't say. Oh yeah, this is the one the Mr. Kumsok stole in September 1953. So this is the very one that this man stole from China, and the United States Air Force was able to test it and figure out what it can do. The very actual airplane, the very one. That's amazing. This is the very airplane that in September 1953, Mr. Kimpo stole it.
Are you able to pinch the metal piece at the top?
Yeah, let me ask you something. Can I put my banana on top of it and keep it locked?
Maybe they're
I can do this, eh?
not really, as long as we can see the mask. Does that have the wire in it that you can pinch?
Yeah, but I cannot squeeze it. I try. Every time that I speak, it's not coming down.
Are you able to bring the bottom piece up over the chin a little bit?
Yeah, I did.
No?
Like that.
Yeah, just try to keep an eye on it. We're gonna keep asking you. It's
Oh,
part of
do
our
ask me.
requirements. Okay.
Do ask me, because I go away from it.
Okay.
It's amazing that this airplane is the very one that this fellow stole.
Which fellow?
That one.
Really?
Yes. It was in 1953. He stole it.
Yeah.
It was the first airplane, Russian airplane, they were able to test. That's the very, very one. Well, thank you.
Yeah.
You see, they keep bugging me with my mask. Now I got two masks. What a shameful place. Oh well. All my life to come here, and one cannot have peace. Always have to be combative. Now this is one of those beautiful gliders, and these gliders are amazing how efficient they are. I like to fly gliders. I think they amazing machines. Saludos.